Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back. It's a new video again for the people who really want to have a kind of lift in their houses or home, uh, which should not be very costly or which may be luxurious. So here actually earlier I uploaded a video of the lift and that was the very basic lift. But now here in that video I am going to attach some of the videos of the lifts we have already installed in different parts of our country. As I told you earlier too, this is a very safe lift and we need only 4 by 4 space, clear space, and that lift can be installed for ground floor to first floor and then ground floor to first second floor and then ground floor to first second third floor, and it is very common and very safe and secure lift. So here I am going to attach the videos of the lifts. The basic structure is almost same, but here now after my first video I have got many requirements from different parts of the country regarding that how that lift can be made uh, luxurious and good looking. So that's why I'm going to share that videos with you through that video. Okay, so if in case if you need to have that kind of lift in your home, I am already going to provide my email ID and Skype ID or my phone number with this video. You may contact me for more details. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
बीच में रोक दी। जाते हैं ट्रेडिंग होगी तो
स्टैंड का भी एक मिनट और सीट लेके आएगा सेकंड टायर तो पिंचर कोई लगा रहा है चेंज ही तो कर रहा है
नमन से समझ ले और घर पे लेकर आइए पता इसको
मैं तो लेके जा रहा था चलो लगा ले
बताओ कौन सी वाली
चलो नो ऑटो वाली लगा देना बढ़िया नो ऑटो
नहीं
ऑटो लगा दो ऑटो चाहिए
वैसे मैंने तो
नो ऑटो लगा लो
ऑटो लगा मैं पहुंच गई आप समझ गया तो मेरे से मत कह रही
RBI and Reserve Bank of India.
साइलेंट मोड में जानी चाहिए इसमें ऑलरेडी सेफ्टी लग सकती है